for all of our students. I'm starting with grade 11, lesson 1 programming. Get your notebooks, pens and pencils, and let's get started. Introduction to lesson 1, programming. So before describing what programming is, I will explain you a few other keywords that you need to know. Carefully understand these terms. These terms are very important. First term is program. As you all know, we use computers, laptops, tablets, mobile phones, and many other computing devices like every day. We use these devices to listen to like music, or to watch a video, to do some calculations, to create a report or something, maybe to play a game, right? So, but these computers, they cannot understand what to do exactly without proper set of instructions. Therefore, we have to tell the computer what to do step by step. We call this set of instructions as programs. I will explain this using some examples. There are lots of programs installed in our computers to make our day-to-day work very easy. For an example, you use programs like Microsoft Word to write documents or reports. You can use programs or softwares like Microsoft PowerPoint to create a presentation, or you can simply use a gaming software to play a game. Likewise, okay? So, to do these different tasks, you need to have different programs with different sets of instructions. The people who are developing these programs with these instructions, we call these people as programmers or developers. You know these terms, right? Next term is programming language. Let's say I want you to take a pencil and draw a tree on your notebook. How can I ask you to do that? I can simply say, can you draw a picture of a tree? And then you understand it and then you do it. It's simple as that. But I can say this in different language as well, right? Maybe in Sinhala or maybe in Tamil or in any other language. So let's assume I say this in English. Again, you can understand it. Then you are going to draw a tree on your notebook. The task is done. What happens if I ask you to draw a tree in another language that you don't understand? Maybe in Japanese or German or Chinese. If you don't understand the language I'm speaking, you don't know what to do. You cannot complete the task. So this simple theory applies to computers as well. Computers don't understand the language that we speak. So we have to use a language that computers can understand. If I use English or Tamil, computers cannot grab those instructions. Therefore, we have to use instructions that computers understand. That is why we use programming languages. So basically, programming languages can be used to give instructions to a computer because computers can understand those languages. Can you give me some examples for programming languages, please? Yes, C, C++, C Sharp, Pascal, Python, Java. There are so many languages. We'll learn about these things in detail in our next lessons, okay? Right. So, knowing all these terms, can you please tell me what programming is? Yes, basically a computer programming is writing computer programs or set of instructions using a programming language to perform a specific task. When you are writing a program like this, there are some steps that you need to follow. There's a procedure you need to follow. First of all, you need to identify your problem. So after identifying the problem, you can design a simple solution for that problem. So after you are done with this design, then only you are going to write the steps to follow the program or the problem. Step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. We call this one as algorithm. We can use different tools to design those solutions. We use tools like flowcharts, pseudocodes. You are going to learn about those things in detail in next lessons, right? In this programming lesson, we are going to learn about this whole process with practical examples. Okay, I think now you have a clear idea on what this lesson is all about. So we'll start your theory lessons from the next video onwards. Right? Okay. So let's wrap up for today. You can watch my next video on the same playlist, topic 1.1 for your programming lesson. Analyzing a problem. If you're excited about this lesson series, you can give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can comment below. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I will see you on my next video analyzing a problem. Bye.